subscribe. A for apple. Now we are coloring capital A. Capital A with red color. Red color, capital A. We are drawing. We are filling capital A with red color. Red color, capital A. Which color? Red color. Which letter? Capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now we coloring apple. Apple, which color? Red color. Red color apple. A for apple with red color. Red color apple. Red color capital A. Red color apple. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple in red color. A for apple. Both are in red color. Leaves. Leaf, which color? Green color. Leaves with green color.